Sometimes in design, you don't have to be careful. We realized that both of us were going to live here forever. I think that you just have to embrace the fact that it's not about resale and you can kind of have some fun. Welcome to our home that we like to call Calgary, California. I'm Paul Lavoie and I'm an interior designer.
I'm Doug Olofsson and I'm an accountant and I'm Paul's partner.
We found this house from a friend. We were walking our dog and she said, I know you always loved that house. The person who built that house in 1961 is ready to move. So I literally rang the doorbell. She answered the door with a little poodle. She's dressed in a beautiful white pantsuit and perfect white boofed hair. I said, I hear you might be selling. She's an older lady. And she said, darling, I'm packing. It was a coincidence. And then we found like our dream house. This kitchen is really similar to the original kitchen.
It was a very formal kitchen.
This house is mid-century, which I wanted to take it to like mid-century, almost like European. So all the lights are like from France or Italy in the kind of decade that this house would have been built. This is pure mid-century Italian. I don't think anyone expected us to hang a chandelier this big in this room.
Yeah.
We call it the Blue Whale.
Yeah, we love it. And it's always, you know, I know Paul has done something great when people walk in and they're like, what? Paul has style and I have none. Paul gets excited because it's sort of it's a testing ground for him. You know, we'll go away somewhere and next thing I know, I show up and there's a new piece of furniture or some millwork.
This is like a true combination of rooms. I think in the end this was a closet and 2 bathrooms, and now we've created like probably Calgary's longest bathroom. Well, I got these doorknobs in Rome for curtains for the ends. Essentially, we have the ability to bring the inside and the outside together.
We've got a lot of friends in the neighborhood, you know, and in the summer it sort of brings together a little sense of community.
We make it happen. Like, if you want family and friends to be around in your life, you have to invite them over.
I think that's what the house for us is all about.
And I think the people who built this house, that's how they felt about it too. It was built for having people.